6-6 was not a great season, but Georgia fans hating for no reason. Last time they won their championship, I think it was 1980. I know they don't understand how I feel to celebrate, cause most of they fan base, ain't never seen a team hoist a banner. Ain't never seen a team win nothing but a conference championship. And it is what it is, Back in 2001, I watched my Hurricanes brought it home. Now if you talking about my Canes and you ain't win a championship recently, shut your mouth. Keep your mouth closed. Just shut your mouth. Zip it up. 6-6 ain't the greatest season of them all. I can't believe we lost to FIU. Follow that up with another one that do. And now ESPN talking about we gonna lose to LA Tech in that game. What is that bowl? I don't even know, man. I think it's that walk on Independence. Damn, how did we get here? Yeah. See, Manny Diaz, I had a lot of expectations from you, and I still do. Cause right now they did not fire you. They did not fire you. But Danny knows he's gotta go. He's gotta go. Tell me if you feel the same. Get down in that comment section. Let me know that you feel the same. See, Danny knows your offensive schemes is so predictable. You need to spread them out so we can have a chance to win these games, cause our defense is coming up strong. But they can't keep doing it alone. No, they can't do it alone. So 2020, what I'm expecting from you, Manny, nothing but greatness. 12-0. Now my real Hurricane fans, get down in that comment section. Let me know if we going 12-0. 12-0. I don't want to hear no 8-4, no 9-3, no 10-2, no 11-1. I need my real Hurricanes in that comment section. The ones who ain't afraid of Clemson. If you ain't afraid of Clemson, nah. Yo, I'm out, man.